morning, guys. Yeah, we are still here in Newcastle in Bose Beach. I am actually on a 4 days off, but I did not go somewhere far because I saw in the forecast that there is going to be a rain, and also because I saw few days ago that because of the rain there is a lot of flooded area in Sydney. Yeah, I saw it in the news. There is a basketball court here. Looks different. This one's supposed to be round but kind of octagon. Yeah, you see a lot of people over that side. I've been once in that area. It is good that it is not very windy this time. If it is windy, there will be a wind noise in this camera. And actually this camera is broken already. Yeah, the back of it, I just put a tape because it's already broken. Oh, there's 10 cents. Actually 5 cents. Yeah, this is flat white. I don't exactly know what is in the flat white. I never been up there. You know, every places here in Australia have a place similar to this one where people can walk around. There's lots of greeneries, picnic area. Yeah, and most of them are near the sea, by the water. It's really nice. Oh, actually I end up walking, going to the lighthouse area. Actually, I'm going back to the car to get my sunglass. Yeah, my music sunglass. Yeah, without sunglass I always like this, my eyes. I want to be relaxed. Actually, this visor of the hat of this cap helps, but with sunglass it's better. Nice. Yeah, I don't know if you still remember my sunglass. It's actually Bose. There is some music in it. Yeah, and instead of going to the proper way, we're going to explore this bush area. No one's died to set my heart free. Who is that? Can you hear that? Yeah, there's music in here. That's actually the entrance of the river. This is the Hunter River. The ship, cargo ship, actually get inside here. Yeah, and go into those big factory. Yeah, we're going to climb here. Oh, it's actually difficult to climb up here. So I'm basically holding the copy and the camera with just one hand. Climbing up here. Oh, I did this easy. Amazing. Easy, nice. Oh, now there is that shipping container. Yeah, basically, there is a big factory of kinds of sand or black soil, something on the far side. And this area is the Stockton Beach, like Stockton Islands. Yeah, and to get to the other side you need to take a ferry, which is about 5 minutes travel from this to that side. Yeah, and if you drive, it will be taking 30 minutes going around to the bridge to reach this area. There is a caravan park over that side, a camping ground. Actually, the only one in the Newcastle area. Yeah, so if you're looking for a camping ground, that's the only place that is Stockton Beach. Yeah, the rest will be in the Central Coast area or in Lake Macquarie area. And do you know this GT? Yeah, on the GT there's a lot of cat, big cat. Yeah, over there. I don't know why there's so many cats over there. And there is a shipwreck over that side at the end. This is actually closed. Actually it's open on Saturday, Sunday. Oh, the cargo ship, very fast. They are here already, and they are always having a guide. If you see, there are two small boats. They serve as the guide for this big cargo ship. Yeah. The other one is also going back now. Yeah, and now that cargo ship is out in the ocean. Can't stop, just gotta fight to survive. To see better along the line. Why do we seem to be caught up inside the dream of my life? Oh, looks like that guy caught a fish somewhere. Lonely and me again. Oh yeah, that's the one. Oh, the fish actually able to escape. And we reached this end of the GT. This is how it is. Yeah, the cargo ship is already over there. And this is how it looks around here. Yeah. So this is the city proper of Newcastle. That is the Stockton Beach or Stockton Peninsula. That's their GT. And you see that bridge, that's the long bridge going to Port Stephen, going to Nelson Bay. And if you see that brown area, that is actually a very long beach. Yeah, Stockton Beach thought. And that is all the way to Port Stephen, all the way to Nelson Bay. Yeah, and if you remember, long time ago, maybe 5-6 years ago, I did walk from McDonald's in Williamtown near the airport, Newcastle airport, all the way here in Newcastle CBD. And it took about 4 hours of walking. I mean, yeah, around 4-6 hours of walk. Yeah, I'm not going to do that again. Yeah, along the way when I was walking along that long beach, there are some people who do 4-wheel driving, fishing, camping. Yeah, it's nice. But I'm like, without you, I can't be too late. And I'm now heading back to the car park. Oh, in case you don't know, this area, this particular area, all the way going to that yeah, lighthouse. Yeah, there was a railway in here in the old times. I don't remember. Yeah. Finally a garbage bin. Yeah. I have been holding this for nothing. Yeah, that's where we came from. And we are now here. We keep on walking. I feel like walking still. And we reached the ocean bath. Yeah, we've been here last 2 weeks ago actually. We're not going to explore that this time. Yeah, we're going up here. Actually, we go this way. This is how it is here. Up here. This area, that's the Newcastle Beach. Yeah, this father and son, they are rolling down the hill. It's fun. Yeah, the beach. But this is already, I mean, this is already pure residential area. No commercial area. I mean, no restaurant. Yeah, just residential. Beautiful houses in here. Looks classic. Yeah, old houses, it just looks new because of the paint, but it's good. Yeah, I'm actually sweating inside too much. Yo, my camera is now just a 4% battery. Yeah, and that's the car park where I park.